Welcome to our channel. Orbi WiFi 6E RBKE963 setup via app. Step 1. Unbox your Orbi WiFi 6E RBKE963. Make sure you have the main router, the satellites, power adapters, and the Ethernet cable. Step 2. Place the router close to your modem. Step 3. Connect the Ethernet cable from your modem to the yellow internet port on the router. Step 4. Plug the router into a power outlet and wait for the ring light to turn solid white or blue. Afterwards, plug in the satellites where you need better coverage in your home. Step 5. Download the Orbi app on your phone from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app, sign in or create a Netgear account, and start the setup. Step 6. Follow the prompts in the app to sync the satellites with the router. Step 7. Create your Wi-Fi network name and password, and then save it. Step 8. The app will check the satellite placement. Move them closer if needed. Step 9. Connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi name and password you just set. Step 10. Your Orbi WiFi 6E RBKE963 system is now fully set up and ready to use. Thank you for watching.